English lesson 34. Welcome everybody. We're happy to see you again. Can everyone say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Welcome back. Let's get started with our
meditation.
Yeah, very good, with our meditation. So have a seat and show me 2 fingers. Very good. We use it to find our heart center. Very good. You want to focus our energy there. Our other hand's open in our laps or on our desks. Yeah. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Focus on your center. Try and clear your mind and relax your body. Meditate with me for just a minute or 2. Good. Once we're able to feel it at our heart center, relax your other hand. You want to keep that feeling, boom, 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 right at your center. Check in with your breathing. Just notice the in and the out. We're focused on our heart center. Our breath is slowing. We are feeling calm and relaxed. Okay, nice job everyone. We'll slowly open our eyes, come out of our meditation together, taking 3 deep breaths. Good. 1, 2, very nice, and 3. Great job. Okay, on your feet, and we'll do the rest of our warm-up together. Okay, so first we reach for the sky, right? We stretch up, reach for the sky. We can interlace our fingers and lean, lean. Good. Stretch, and then, good. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake, shake. Good, and then what? Stretch down and touch our toes. Stretch, reach for your toes or the floor. And then, good. Shake, shake, shake it out or wiggle. Very good. All right, what's next? Spin. Excellent. How many times?
3 times.
3 times. But
Wait.
wait. Good. First, I want you to spin this way and wiggle. Very good. Wiggle and spin. Good. Next, I want you to spin this way and wiggle. The other way. Very good. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Good. And 3, I want you to spin and jump. Excellent. All right, what's the last thing we do together?
Up and down.
We jump up and down. How many times?
3 times.
3 times.
4.
Good. First, I want you to jump on 1 foot and forward. Very good. So forward, 1 foot. 2, I want you to jump on 1 foot and backwards. Very good. Other foot, yeah, very nice. And 3, very good. I want you to jump and spin. Nice work. All right, we'll have a seat and get started with today's English lesson. Today's date. Excellent. All right, so today is Monday. Today is Monday. Very good. What color do we use for Monday? Yellow. That's right. All right. It is, yeah. It's the 5th of September. We'll learn that later, though. All right, so if today is Monday, yesterday was, can anybody guess? Excellent. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday? Sunday. Good. Today? Monday. Good. So it's Sunday, Monday.
Tuesday.
Very good. So tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Good. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Good. All right, and as Pao pointed out, all right, what color do we use for Sunday? Red. Very good. And for Tuesday? Pink. Nice job. All right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do in this lesson is finish our worksheets from last time. We did an animals at the zoo. Remember where we drew our zoo animals? As well as what they eat. All right? So I'm going to pass back out those worksheets right now so we can finish coloring them. I wanted to go over them because the colors are important for these animals. It matters. All right? See, some of us finished last time, but some of us didn't. So I want to take a few minutes to finish coloring. Like Pata, your food, go ahead and crayon, color that in. All right? Anybody else who didn't finish? But so I also wanted to point something out. Who remembers this animal? Tiger. Tiger. Find the tiger on your worksheet. So I wanted to point this out because the tiger needs to be orange and black. Orange and black. Yeah, orange and black. Right? So it's colors, sometimes we can get creative and use what we want, but for a tiger to look like a tiger, it needs to be orange and black. I know, we'll fix it. Use your crayons. That's why we're doing this. Okay, so the last one I want to point out. Who remembers the name of this animal?
Zebra.
Very good. Zebra. Zebra. So for a zebra to look like a zebra, it needs to be black and white. Black and white. Do you see the colors here? Like what teacher Shelby's wearing. Black and white. The zebra needs to be black and white. Some of us followed along, but I just want to make sure that we clarify. For these animals, they look a specific way. They have certain colors. So our tiger is orange and black, and our zebra is white and black. Give you just a minute or two to wrap it up. Complete the worksheets and then join us back here when everybody's got it colored and completed. Yellow.
Monkey.
It's good. Good monkey. What, Shug? What is it? Yeah, I don't know what to tell you about your pencil. Finished, Q? It's good. It's good. Yeah, that's your name. I had to put it on there because you always forget. Monkey can, that's okay. You can be orange. Good. Thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay, great job, everyone. Hopefully your worksheets turned out as great as some of ours did. Yeah, really nice work. So we've got all of our zoo animals in their cages at the zoo. Fun stuff, right? Okay, so before we move on to our vocabulary for today, we're gonna do one more thing with our zoo animals. Yeah, the animals we can see at the zoo. All right, so this is how we're going to play a game. Yay! Yeah, it's you all are gonna help Teacher Shelby guess the animal, okay? For example, I'm gonna close my eyes. Shh, don't tell me. Here's the thing. Shh, I'll show you how to play. Don't tell me the word. Don't tell Teacher Shelby, okay? Try again. Shh, don't tell me. Okay, now listen, Teacher Shelby's gonna ask a question. What color is the animal? Blue. What noise does the animal make? Is it an elephant?
Yeah.
Oh, good, elephant, okay? So you all are gonna help me guess the one on my forehead, okay? Because I can't see it. Okay. What color is it?
Brown.
Brown. What does it like to eat?
Banana.
Bananas. What sound does it make? Is it a monkey?
Yes.
Very good. You guys are good at this. What does it like to eat? Banana. Okay. Is it tall or short? Tall. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow and black. What sound does it make? Is it a giraffe? Yeah, good. Good clues. All right. What color is it?
Brown and white first.
What color? Brown
And white.
and white. What does it like to eat?
Grass.
Grass. Okay. And the sound? Eee. Oh, is it a zebra?
Yeah.
Zebra, good. Okay, and hey, remember this color is black,
Black.
right? Brown is like a monkey, brown. Like Teacher Shelby's hair, brown. This color, black.
Black.
Black, so black and white. But good, we still figured it out.
White and black.
All right, let's do, ready? What does it like to eat? What does it like to eat? Birds, okay.
And chicken.
And chicken, okay, so meats, got it. What sound does it make? Whoa. What color is it? Yeah. Yellow and brown. And what sound does it make again? Oh, is it a lion? Yeah. Okay, good. All right, ready? What color is it? Orange and black and white. Okay, what does it eat? Birds and dogs and chickens and cats. Oh, they eat a lot then. Oh, and mice. Okay, I think I know. But just in case, what sound does it make? Yeah, good. Is it fast or slow? It's slow. Oh, it's fast. Is it a tiger? Oh, good. Very good, guys. Thank you for your help. That was really good. Zoo animals. Very good. So what we're going to learn about today is a new group of animals that lives in the ocean. Yeah. Do you guys remember the word ocean? Ocean. Good. We learned about ocean and the habitats. It's where we see a lot of fish. In the ocean. All right? So today we're going to learn about some animals we see in the ocean, under the water. Okay? First, I want to show you them with a PowerPoint. So pay attention to the TV. We'll do that together. Good. All right, so take a look at this first picture. I heard you guys saying it. Here's the picture we used for ocean. Ocean. Right? And we already know who's that lives in the ocean. Fish. Very good. Many, many fish in the ocean. Many fish. Yeah, show me your best fish face. Very nice. I love all the fins. It's great. Well, don't bite your tongue, silly. All right, fish in the ocean. Let's see who else. Who else is in the ocean? Take a look at this picture. Very good. We have seen this before in a lesson. This animal is called a turtle. Turtle. Good. Turtle. Good. Shh. Turtle. Good. We see turtles in the ocean. We sure do. So for turtle, we're going to swim like a turtle. Slow, right? Turtles are very slow. Many turtles, yeah. So show me how you can swim like a turtle. Show me. Swim like a turtle. Yeah, they're pretty slow, huh? Turtle. Very good. All right, turtle in the ocean. Very good. What about this animal? It is blue. We haven't learned it yet. Take a look at this picture. It is kind of like a big fish. This in English is called a whale. Whale. Good. It's a W sound. Whale. Very good. Whale. Good. This is a whale. Whales are in the ocean. They're the really, really big ones. Yeah, whales are the really big ones. And see, they shoot the water out of their head. That's how we know it's a whale. Whale. Yeah, very good. Like a blowhole. That was so cute. Good. Okay, so for whale, we're going to do this. Because they're so big. Whale. Yeah, they're so big. Whale. Yeah, that works too. Whale. It could probably eat a desk. You are absolutely right. Whale. All right, one more time. Whale. Good. Let's see who else lives in the ocean. Ooh, this is a fun one. Yeah. Yeah. So this is a picture of what we call an octopus. Yeah, good. That's 3 syllables. Oc. Oc. Octopus. 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 Very good. Octopus. Who knows how many legs? 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you're right. In this picture, it is 7. Okay. Normally it's 8. Yeah, it should be 8. Good. 8. Octopus. We can see octopus in the ocean. In the ocean. So for octopus, we're going to have many legs. Show me this. Do this. Many, many legs. This is going to be octopus. Good. Yeah, we can eat octopus too. Very good. Octopus. Very good. How about this one? Yep. Take a look at this picture. The word for this animal is dolphin. Dolphin. Good. Doll. Fin. Dolphin. Dolphin. Good. Here's a dolphin. Right? We see dolphins in the ocean, right? Yeah. They like to jump, right? Dolphins. That is a happy dolphin, you're right. Yeah. So for dolphin, we're going to do this. Dolphin fins. All right? So show me your dolphin fins. Show me. Dolphin. Good. Very good. So let's review real quick. We have turtle. Turtle. Good. Whale. 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 Good. Octopus. Octopus. Good. And dolphin. That's my favorite, I think. Dolphin. Very good. Dolphin. Excellent. What about this one? This next image, I know you guys recognize this. Yeah. So in English, the word for this animal is crab. Crab. Good. It's a B at the end. Crab. Good. Crab. Good. And for crab, you guessed it. We're going to do this for crab. Pinch, pinch. Yeah. Yeah, it's got its eyes here. Show me your best crab. Good. And they walk sideways, right? They go. Right? Crab. Crab. Yeah, they typically have 8 legs too. Crab. All right, last one. Scary stuff. Yeah, so take a look at this picture. In English, this is called a shark. Yeah, so we've got our shh. Good, that's the beginning sound. Shark. Good, and it's a K at the end. Shark. Shark. Good, and we know shark, right? Right? We'll do this for shark. Even better, too. We can do 2 hands if we want. Yeah. Yeah. Whatever. Big teeth. You're very right. Shark. Show me shark. I'm so glad that That song is universal. That's great. All right. So let's review. Shark. Shark. Good. Crab. Crab. Good. Dolphin. Dolphin. Very good. Whale. Whale. Good. And turtle. Turtle. Excellent. Okay, good job. Okay, we're gonna go through those just one more time, but this time I want you up on your feet so you can show me your animal movements really well. All right, ready? So, whale. Good. Let me hear you say it too. Whale. Whale. Show me a big whale mouth. Right? And you know on Finding Nemo, when they do the whale voice, whale. Very good, Nadia. Big. All right, back here. Very good. Turtle. Turtle. Good. Yeah, show me turtle. Very good. Turtle swimming through the ocean. Good. Back here. Show me shark. Shark. Good. Scary. Yeah. Fin. Shark. Good. Very good, Paul. All right, back here. Let me hear you say crab. Crab. Good. That's so good. Crab. So it goes sideways like that. Very good. Let me hear you say octopus. Octopus. Good, that's a tough word. Octopus. Right, so many legs. Octopus. Very good. 8 legs. All right, back here. Let me hear you say dolphin. Dolphin. Good. Dolphin. And they jump a lot. Dolphin. Good. Yeah, they jump a lot. Very good, yeah. All right, back here. We're gonna go through them one more time. Let me hear you say whale. Whale. Good. Yeah, big. Good. Very good. All right. Let me hear you say octopus. Octopus. Good. Many legs. Many legs. Good. 8 legs to be exact. Okay. Let me hear you say turtle. Turtle. Good. And we swim like a turtle. They swim like this. Turtle. Good, good. All right, back here. Let me hear you say shark. Shark. Yeah. Very good. Shark. Shark! Good. Let me hear you say crab. Crab. Good. That's right. Crab. Very good. Back here. And last one, let me hear you say dolphin. Dolphin. Good. Good. Very nice. All right, have a seat. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is play a game. Too much. We are going to play a game using our ocean animals. This is a new type of game for us, so make sure you pay attention. So you're all going to get these puzzle pieces They look like strips of paper.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. So you get them and you're like, what is this? You're trying to figure out what ocean animal you could make, right? So what you want to do is, oh, this is the wrong way. This maybe goes here, right? And then, does it go like this? Like this?
No.
Does it go like this? No? Does it go like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. See, it's a puzzle piece. So how about this one? Does this go over here? No? Does it go over here?
Yes.
Okay. What animal? What animal is that? Who remembers? Crab. It's a crab, all right? So this is what you're gonna do. My class is gonna work in pairs, right? So you two, you two, you two, you two, all right? So I want you guys to go ahead and pair up or work in small groups. We have 6 animals, so you'll need to be into 6 groups or less. So what you'll do is you'll take turns in your partner. We're gonna mix these up. You have to arrange them to where they make the correct animal. Raise your hand when you're finished, because then Teacher Shelby's gonna ask, who has crab? Who has dolphin? And if you have it, you're gonna say, me. Okay? So first, we'll pass out the puzzle pieces in the group. I want you guys to practice this activity in your room too. We'll take turns mixing up the puzzle pieces, arranging them correctly, and then Teacher Shelby's gonna ask who has what animal so we can practice naming it. So have fun and join us back here when you're finished. Go! Arrange your puzzle. Go, go, go. You can do it, you can do it. Oh, great. Very good. Raise your hand when you're finished. There you go, Pat. There you go. Ah, very good. Kingma, good. Excellent. Papa was first. There you go. Yeah, that was really good.
2, 3, 4.
Because I think this guy goes up here. There. There! Ta-da! Good. All right. Now, listen up real quick. Who has dolphin? Who has dolphin? Pata. Very good. Dolphin. Who has shark? Da-na-na-na-na-na. Tew had shark. Very good. Who has turtle? Turtle. Pun, you had turtle. Very good. And who had crab? Very good. This group had crab. Good. Yeah, so now you're going to take it and pass it to your partner. Very good. All right, but mix them up. Make sure they're all mixed up before we play again. Mix it up, let go. Mix it up, come on, mix it up. Ready, go. Oh, very good. Dolphin must be a quick one. Nice work. Very good, pal. Very good. Oh my, you're so close. You're so close. Ah, very good, Nadia. Good. That's right, shark is a tough one. There's many pieces. All right, so Nadia, do you remember the name? What's the name of this animal? Do you remember? Shh. Close. What is it? Shark.
Shut up.
Shark. Good. Laka, do you remember the name of your animal? Crab. Okay. Crab. What about you, Pam?
Turtle.
Turtle. Very good. Turtle. Turtle. What about you? Do you remember the name? Dolphin. Dolphin. Very good. Okay, so now what you want to do is, here, we're going to switch them up though. So put your cards together. Teacher Shelby's going to mix them up. So now you guys get this one. Make sure they're all mixed up. Don't start yet. Mix them up, mix them up. Ready, go. All right, nice job. Very good, very good. Great job. There you go, Pata. There you go. There you go, there you go. Ah, very good. Ah, very good. Yeah, that was a new one. Very nice. Shh, hold on, wait. Good. All right, so who had, shh, listen. Who had that? Q, you had octopus. All right. Let me hear you say octopus. Good, octopus. Many, many legs. Who had whale? Yeah. You guys. Pata, let me hear you say whale. Good. And who had turtle? Good. Pat, let me hear you say turtle. Hey, turtle. Good. Turtle. Very good. All right, give to the girls and mix them up, girls. Switch to your other partner and mix them up. Good, good. Mix them up, mix them up. Those are not mixed up at all. You're doing great. You guys are doing great. Ah, very good. Very good. Very good. Come on, Nadia, you can do it. You can do it. Ah, very good. I think that was the fastest one yet. Very good. All right. Very good. All right. So, do you remember the name of this animal? Very good. Whale. Whale. Good. Pat, what about yours? Shark. Shark. Do you remember the name? Turtle. Turtle. What about that one? Close. Octopus. Octopus. Very good. All right, now we're gonna mix them up again. That's good. All right, so now mix them up. Pata, mix them. Mix them up. Don't go yet. Woo. All right, ready? Go. You're excellent at this game. Very good, you. Very good. Yeah, the whale is a tough one. Wait a minute. Look at that. That's not right. Very good. There you go. The whale is a hard one. Look here. Look, it's because this guy. Look here. There we go. There we go. Look at it this way now. There you go. Match them up. Good. There's the last piece. There you go, Lakao. Very good. Now take a look at it. The whale is a tough one. All right, so let me hear you say crab. Crab. Good. Fawn, let me hear you say octopus. Close. Octopus. Pat, let me hear you say whale. Whale. Good. Tia, let me hear you say dolphin. Dolphin. Very good. Thanks for playing along with us. The very last thing I want to do for this lesson is just run through the vocab one more time. So let me hear you say turtle. Turtle. Swim like a turtle. Very good. Turtle. Good. All right. Let me hear you say dolphin. Dolphin. Good. Dolphin. Good. Let me hear you say crab. Crab. Yeah, crab. Good. Let me hear you say whale. Whale. Good. Big whale. Good. Let me hear you say octopus. Octopus. Good. Many, many legs. Octopus. Very good. Finally, let me hear you say shark. Shark. Excellent. Okay, good job, everyone. Thanks for playing along. That's going to be the last activity for this lesson. Can everyone say goodbye? Goodbye. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.